Joint replacement is a great surgery and a boon to the patients who are suffering from severe disabling joint pain. You may be suffering from knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, or other joint pains. But how do you decide about the best course of treatment for you? If you have decided for a joint replacement surgery, you might have more questions than answers, along with the fear of having a surgery. How does a human joint function? And how does an artificial joint work? Is there a way to avoid, or is there an alternative to the joint replacement surgery? What are the best surgical techniques and best models and the materials? Is there a way to avoid the complications after surgery, and how to deal with them if they happen? What is the course of recovery, exercises after surgery, lifestyle and longevity of these artificial joints? As I always believed, best patient is the one who is best informed. Having witnessed a new question each time a patient consults me, I have compiled over 100 commonly asked questions and answer to those questions in this book. There is also a compilation of over 30 real case studies with over 150 illustrations to make you understand better. Who else can guide you better than a patient who himself had this surgery?